E-commerce sales hold unlimited potential for growing startups and existing businesses alike. The question is, how do you attract and convert buyers in a world of overchoice? Instead of choosing from a small handful of products from well-known brands on physical shelves, shoppers now have access to thousands of competing products and brands. Every company is marketing fiercely to overtake the competition. In this course, you'll learn how to leverage one of the most powerful tools in e-commerce marketing: clever, compelling sales copy. With these proven tactics, you can write effective static content for e-commerce websites and online marketplaces that play into your long-term strategy, make a strong, memorable impression, and convert more buyers with product or service descriptions and supporting web page content. Hi, I'm Carrie French, also known as Carrie Blogger, a top-rated pro seller on Fiverr.com. Since 2013, I have worked with more than 10,000 startups and small to medium-sized businesses around the world. I am grateful to have been interviewed by Forbes, Entrepreneur, and Side Hustle School about my success on the platform and my journey as a freelance copywriter. There is no secret sauce or unattainable formula. It all comes down to human psychology and writing in a way that frames unique selling points within the context of your user experience. Discover how to write compelling sales copy and learn why online shops need it. You might be surprised how vast and nuanced the benefits are. In this course, I'll be sharing insights that are beneficial for both copywriters in training and business owners who are looking to write their own content. Before diving into this course, it's essential that you already have fundamental skills with a strong command of grammar and writing mechanics. Unlock your sales potential with a deeper look into style and strategy for static e-commerce content. Are you excited? I'm excited. Grab a pen and let's get started.